Hello, hello. Today we are doing chest. I have 3 exercises for you. 2 are quite similar, just a small variation. I again chose 2 light dumbbells, 5 pounds, because we're focusing on form. You're going to see I can slip my hand under my back. We don't want that space. We want to protect our lower back by pushing our spine into the floor so it completely lays flat. I'm now making 2 L shapes, 90-degree angles with my arms, and I'm going to push straight up. This is to work the chest muscles, so we are just pushing. This is a press motion, and when we come down, we want to be able to control our elbows when they touch the floor or barely touch. Our feet are firmly planted, legs wide to give us a good use of our core. We are using our core here. We're using more than our chest muscles. I'm doing a set of 10. Again, with all 3 exercises, you can repeat 2 more times. This is a second variation of the dumbbell press. What I'm going to do at the top is push the weights together and hold them for 4 seconds. I'm pushing them toward each other. So I'm doing a set of 10. If you do these 3 exercises and then repeat twice, this entire chest workout is still under 10 minutes. So that's what I recommend doing. Just watch it 3 times. You can always pause my voice and play your own music. That little extra hold really makes a difference, and kind of like your armpit area, the outer chest muscle. If it's too tough, go down in weight. We're not trying to be superheroes here. We're just trying to give our muscles a work. The third one is a chest fly. This I recommend going down in weight. Don't just assume, because it is a muscle in that wide motion that we don't often use. I have to stay very light. I'll even go down to 3 pounds if I haven't done this in a while, just to make sure I don't pull anything. You will see my elbows are slightly bent. My arms, my forearms do not hit the floor. We want that gap. We want to always not be locked. Never lock your elbows, never lock your knees. Never say never, but almost never. Again, a set of 10, and we are almost done. Looks like my back started to come off the floor there. It's very common. You need to push that spine down, keep that core engaged. I'm going to show you why chest exercises are important. Whether you're heavy-chested or not, we tend to have a forward bent look. We want to be back. We want to be supporting our neck, and I hope you enjoyed.